Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Since my last video was featuring this new light, it's 35 watts and it was a drop down from from another light that was a little bit over 100 watts. This particular dwarf tomato has actually grown up to probably another 4 or 5 inches in about a week. And it's starting to flower already. It is in a half-gallon container that is a crack key container, basically a net cup and nutrient solution. So I've been very pleased with this LED Tonic Q2 light. I'll be testing out a couple new lights that I've had. Actually, one I've tested already. This is a Mars Hydro TS1000, and it has done quite well. I've grew a full plant zucchini, and it produced for 172 days. And that's quite amazing to me because I've grown zucchini outside. And on the other side, this is an Osree light, OSREE. And we'll be finding out a little bit more about the capabilities of this light as we test it together. I'm hoping to save you guys some money on your grow lights and actually prove that these lights actually work to grow the things that you normally grow. And this is one more project that I'm going to be working with. This is an AeroGarden Bounty model. Has a 40-watt LED light above it. And for anyone who has not heard of AeroGardens, I'll show you more about that in some of my videos. And just a little heads up, I'm not going to use the AeroGarden nutrients because I have picked up something called Dynagrow Foliage Pro 936. One of the things about this particular nutrient is that it is very much, if you were to do a leaf analysis, in tune with plants, because most plants have a 3-1-2 breakdown of major nutrients within their leaves. And so why not use a nutrient that is compatible with that analysis?